Straight doing it.
Where am I? It is February. Black History Month is here. You got a little bit of Valentine's Day. And, have our best look on Valentine's Day for our dates. Regardless if you've been married 30 years, 20 years, 1 year, no years, it doesn't matter. We want to look great on this special day. So I'm going to talk about 2 products today. It is the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and then it's the Black Radiance Press Powder in Rich Mahogany. So if you want to see how I achieve this amazing look. Let's watch. We are going to try out the Black Radiance Rich Mahogany Press Powder. I'm going to use it to contour. I got this at KMART. Our KMART in our area is actually going out of business, so they were having a sale with 30% off. So I got this for about $4, which isn't bad. So I figured I'll try it. And then I also got this Airspun Loose Face Powder in Rosy Beige, which it says $7.29, but I got this for about $5 at Kmart as well, with them going out of business. I had this in my cart on Amazon, so I'm definitely excited to try it out and see how it's going to feel on the face. I did smell it, and it smells great. So I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fond. So I don't know what happened. The video stopped and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I don't really understand what's going on with my camera lately, but thought I'd come to you real quick before I finished up my whole face. So I have the Black Radiance Rich Mahogany on. Did a little bit here, did a little bit to my nose. And so I'm gonna clean everything up. It right now, it's about 150-ish. So I'm gonna wear it for a couple of hours, see how it wears, see if it starts to turn reddish or it makes my face look reddish. And of course, I'll be back and let you guys know what I think. Hey guys, so I've had this on for about 6 hours now. And I have to say, with the finished look, I am loving it. I really, really, really love how the pressed powder kind of sculpted my face, and it didn't leave a red or orange tint to my face. It kind of blended in with that Fenty foundation. And then the Airspun Loose Face Powder. All of it is just like a tongue twister, but this is a must-have. I have enjoyed wearing this. Usually, the powder that I use, I can definitely see like a lot of creasing underneath it. And with this one, as you can see, there's not much creasing, which after 6 hours of wear, this looks really, really good. So I'm really happy with the results. So I'll definitely be putting this with my favorites, and I'll definitely be using these more often. Got this at Kmart, this at Kmart. I know I told you guys earlier, our Kmart's going out of business, so all of the products in there, makeup-wise, are 30% off, which is a great deal. But I definitely know this is on Amazon because I had it in my cart. And this you can find at Walmart or Target, CVS, Walgreens. So you definitely should go ahead, go out, purchase these products, and give them a try because you won't be disappointed. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and leave my next video over here or over here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. Here, it's December, Black History Month. It's not December. Where am I?